Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you're new to manual breast pumps, understanding the different parts can help you use and clean your pump more effectively. Let's take a quick look at the main components. First, there's the breast shield, sometimes called the flange. This is the part that fits against the breast and helps create a comfortable seal during pumping. Next is the pump handle. This is the part you squeeze by hand to create suction and express milk. Most manual breast pumps also include a valve or membrane. This small part helps maintain suction and supports the flow of milk into the collection container. Another important component is the milk collection bottle or container. This is where the expressed milk is collected during pumping. Some pumps also come with a bottle cap or storage lid, allowing milk to be stored after pumping. Each part plays an important role, so it's a good idea to check regularly for wear and tear and follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions. Understanding your pump's parts can help make pumping easier, more comfortable, and more efficient.